go confused on more like Indiana. I don't go be confused. I'm
Anki.
not tired.
Hi guys, my name is Naomi Jemtai. In case you are new here, remember to hit the subscription button, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. So guys, today I am at my parents' home. This is the house, and this house is very new. So guys, I want to show you this house, the way it is inside. It has 2 bedrooms, the veranda, sitting room, kitchen, and the toilet. Though it's not finished, it is still being built. So guys, come with me. So guys, as I told you, this is a very new house. So this is the veranda side. As you enter the house, come with me guys. So this is the main entrance. As we go, it's still empty. We are here to fill it, to put it things like seats. So this is the sitting room. As you can see, this is the ceiling, and these are the windows. You can see these windows, guys. They are really very beautiful and admirable. You can see. This one is the space where the air comes in from, so that if the windows are closed, still the air can come in, and also the light can still come in. So it has like how many? 1, 2. It has 2 big windows which brings in light. Okay guys, let's continue. So this is the door to this is the dining area, and that's where we wash our hands. Okay guys, this is where the electricity will be fixed. We are going to fix another socket here and another one here, and there and there. They are still in process. So guys, this is the door which goes to the corridor, which leads to the bedrooms and the kitchen. So guys, let's go and see. It's a bit dark because electricity is not yet fixed. So guys, this is the small corridor. And these are the supposed bedrooms. This one and this one. We are going to go in, and this is the toilet. This is the toilet. As you can see, it is spacious and it's really very nice. So guys, this is the smaller bedroom inside here. As you can see, work is still in progress, guys. So this is the place where the closet is going to be fixed, and maybe the bed is going to be fixed somewhere here. So you can see it's a spacious room, and it's really very nice. So guys, let's go to the main bedroom now. So guys, as you can see again, this is a big one. This bedroom is a bit bigger because it's the main bedroom, which belongs to the parents. So it has 2 windows, this one here and the other one there. So what are this? Is a piece. Do you know this guy? This one. My mother is a very big farmer, and these are peas. Okay guys, let's continue. Let's go and see the kitchen and see outside kitchen. You have the inside kitchen and also you have another kitchen outside. So guys, we shall be seeing all of them. Come. So guys, this is the room to the kitchen. Okay, its work is still in progress, guys. So don't worry. Before we continue, these are potatoes, guys. Irish potatoes. Have you ever seen Irish potatoes? These ones are really big because my mother is a big farmer and she's a potato advisor. So if you want anything to do with potatoes, you can contact me. I can connect you with my mother, and she's really a very good farmer. She does a lot of good farming in potatoes, also cabbage. So guys, you see all these potatoes. So guys, this is supposed to be the sink, and this is the space for washing utensils. And this space here, we are going to fix the cabinets for the utensils and also for the cooking cars. So guys, I think this all with the okay. This space is supposed to be the where we shall be transferring food from the kitchen to the dining. So guys, you can see, so it's a bit dark. It's because you've not fixed the electricity. So don't worry. This is another window. It has two windows, a smaller window here, and this one which brings in a lot of light, guys. So guys, you know this thing, guys. Have you ever seen this? Oh my God. I know some people do not know this one. So this is called a lantern. It's supposed to be a lamp. What do you now? I will show you. I will take another process and show you what we are supposed to do with this one. You put paraffin here, and then you make something like as a thread, and then you put here, and then the other one goes inside here, so that when you close it like this, the thread comes from this side, and then you put the matchbox, and then now it's lighted. I will show you later, guys, so that you confirm. So guys, let's go outside. So guys, as we come out of the kitchen, this is the entrance, the main entrance of the kitchen. As you go out like this, as you go out, this is another veranda, which is really very nice. You can use if you want to use the charcoal burner, you can use it here. You can place your things, maybe the charcoal, the water containers, and any other thing that you need to put here, guys. So guys, this is the outside part of it. You can see this house is small but really very smart. It's not that small. So guys, this is an outside kitchen. You can see it's really very near to the main house. So it's still in process. We are going to make it and use it, because you know our African mothers do not like the kitchen using the kitchen from the main house. They like using the firewood. So we prefer to make this kitchen for our mother. So she's going to be using this one. So guys, as we finish, there is something here I want to show you. How many people do know this thing? It's ancient. It was used to store water, and we are still using it because we still have one. So guys, we've come to the end of our video today. Remember to hit the notification, to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and continue watching my videos. So guys, see you in my next.